So far, this website has made $2,524. This website has made $8,000. This website has made $1,746. This website has made $560. And last but not least, this website has made $1,202. In this video, I'm going to reveal those 5 websites and show you step by step what I did to create over a $600 per day income. So before we get started with this video, go ahead, subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon if you like the idea of passive income ideas online and building more wealth and overall creating a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So let's go ahead and let's talk about the first income stream. This income stream is known as the Home Business Academy. And I was exposed to this roughly about 2 weeks ago, actually a little over 2 weeks, closer to 3 weeks. And I came to a page that looks like this. I read the copy, I watched the video, and I got access to this program for $25. I did realize that to promote this program, I needed to purchase it. But the cool thing is I can actually earn 80% commissions, which means I can earn $20 for every sale. And those sales are residual. So step 1 is I actually joined the Home Business Academy. When I got into the back office, my membership included a few different things. I had the Funnel Builder Academy, I had HBA Premium, the Financial Literacy Academy, which was an upsell that I decided to take, and then you have the Affiliate Zone. So the first thing that I did is I went straight over to the Affiliate Zone. I watched the videos here, and I went ahead and I created an affiliate account. So I went ahead and signed up as an affiliate. Once I did that, it took me to this page right here, where I could see my commission dashboard and I could see all my affiliate links. So there's many different affiliate links right here, from just a trial all the way down to an FAQ page. So what I did is step 1, got access to HBA. Step 2 was I know I needed to get traffic to these links so I could start generating sales. And there's a few ways that I knew that I could do that. 1 was paid traffic, 2 was free traffic. What I decided to do is I decided to pick a combination of both. So what I did is I headed over to a website called MyLeadGenSecret.com. And what they do here is they give you 100 free leads every single day, new fresh leads. So that gives you the opportunity to send out your affiliate link every 24 hours to these leads. So your leads list grows, you're able to send out more emails, therefore you're able to generate more revenue. So this was traffic strategy number 1. Of course, if you're going to make money with affiliate marketing, you need to make sure that you have mastered and you know about traffic, because that's the lifeblood. The whole purpose of affiliate marketing is the merchant, the owner of the product, has done all the hard work for you. All you need to do is send traffic, and they take care of the training, they take care of the fulfillment, and everything in between. So I decided to create an account with My Lead Gen Secret. I logged into my account and it took me to a page that looks something like this. Then all I did is I jumped over here and I selected create a message. And then what I did is I selected all my leads here. And then I went ahead and I copied some emails that are proven to convert with this specific offer. I've actually got an email swipe file, and this swipe file actually looks something like this. You're going to see various emails that you can simply copy and you can send out through MLGS. So all I would do essentially, and I'll give you one example here, is I would copy the subject right here, and then I would jump back over to MLGS and I would paste the subject right here. And then what I would do is I would jump back over and I would copy the body. So take this whole entire portion here and we would copy this and we would simply paste it here, right here in the body area. Then we would remove the bolding, and then we would space everything to make sure that it looks nice. And then what we would do is we would simply add our affiliate links in this section right here, and also this section. And then most importantly, we would throw in our name right here. So I would jump back over to my affiliate dashboard for the Home Business Academy. And then I would copy this affiliate link right here, the all-in-one $25 sales letter link. And then I would jump back over to My Lead Gen Secret and I would simply highlight, and then I would link the affiliate link here, and then I would highlight and link the affiliate link here. Click on OK, click on perfect timing, and then click on send email. And then I would simply rinse and repeat. I would send out email 2 on day 2. I would send out email 3 on day 3, so on and so forth. Then what I did is I created an account with a website called Multiple Income Funnel. This is the third website. And within this website, the power of it is the fact that it actually sells multiple products for you using one affiliate link. So simply, if I was acting as a customer, they would first come to this page right here. They would join the Facebook group. They would complete step 1. And then step 2, they would sign up for these 4 different income streams. When they sign up for these 4 different income streams, I actually get the commission because I code my affiliate link in the back office to all these specific income streams. So the owner of this website, they do all the selling and telling. And I actually earn a commission from their efforts. Now, they do get a small portion of the commission that's generated when people join this website. So that gives them incentive to actually do all the selling and telling for me. But they would go to video 1 in income stream number 1 right here, then video 2, income stream number 2, then video 3, income stream number 3, which is actually the Home Business Academy, which is the first website that we covered, which is really cool because they will do all the selling and telling for that income stream, as well as Home Business Academy itself with their own sales pages. And then of course, there's income stream number 4 right here. So income stream number 1, 2, and 4, they offer different types of commissions from low ticket commissions all the way up to high ticket commissions. So low ticket being residual, mid ticket even being one time of earning like a $500 commission. And even in income stream number 2, you can actually earn up to $2,000 in commissions per sale. To learn more about this, I'll actually include a link in the description of this video that will take you straight to Multiple Income Funnel. So you can go ahead and check it out and look at these multiple income streams. Nonetheless, just by promoting this one website, it actually helped me make over $600 per day as illustrated at the beginning of this video. Now, a lot of these websites, they don't have great sales material. And that's what's great about Multiple Income Funnel is it will do all the selling and telling on these different websites that may not have the best promotional material available. And so that's what really helped me create the big commissions and the big revenue that you see here. Now, the next website is known as E1U Life, which again is one of the income streams within the Multiple Income Funnel and a standalone website by itself. Again, you can promote this website on its own, but it's not going to convert as well as using this system known as Multiple Income Funnel. Yeah, you can go to my links right here. You can, of course, check out all the affiliate links. So we'll go ahead and just log back in, go to the affiliate dashboard, and you can go to my links right here. You see all the different links that you can share. And this will help you promote and sell E1 Life to an extent, but Multiple Income Funnel does the best job of getting your prospects to upgrade to the highest level so you can actually earn those $2,000 commissions. Now, E1 Life is a digital marketing educational platform. Think of it as a university, much like the Home Business Academy, that teaches people how to start and grow their brand online, how to get more traffic, leads, and sales into their business, whether they've got a digital business or they've got even a brick and mortar business. So let's move on to the 5th and the last website, which is called Traffic Authority. Now, this is where it really all comes together. You have all these different products, all these different income streams, all these different websites, but they don't mean anything without traffic. And we talked about traffic at the beginning of this video. Traffic is the lifeblood of any business. You have free traffic and then you have paid traffic. Paid traffic, you pay for it, but you get results instantly. Free traffic, like uploading YouTube videos, making Facebook posts, making Twitter posts, marketing in forums, doing search engine marketing, that takes time to begin getting leads and sales. It can take a minimum of 60 to 90 days to really see the effects of free advertising. With paid advertising, like I said, you get instant results. And that's what traffic authority is. It's a traffic sort of hub that sends you paid traffic leads and even sales by paying a fee. So instead of having to do all the legwork to do free traffic, you can simply pay a fee and they will send you leads and even potential sales right out of the gate. So not only can you use traffic authority to promote each of the income streams and the websites that I talked about today, but you can also earn commissions off of bringing people into traffic authority as well. And again, that is the fifth and final website and the fourth income stream within the multiple income funnel system. So instead of me having to talk about these individually, let's say I'm brand new and I have to talk about the features and benefits of traffic authority, then Home Business Academy, E1U Life. That's a lot of work. That's a lot of effort. You have to have sales skills. That's why it's so important, once again, to have an automated system like Multiple Income Funnel, where you just simply share the affiliate link of Multiple Income Funnel. You can get paid on the system itself, as well as the other income streams inside of it. So to wrap this up, I want to talk about one final thing. We talked about paid traffic, how to get that using MLGS and also using traffic authority. What I describe is that you should do one paid traffic strategy and one free traffic strategy. So what you'll want to do is log into the Home Business Academy and then go over to HBA Premium. Then go to Get Traffic Free section. This is going to list all kinds of different ways that you can generate and get free traffic. Now, YouTube is what I've been doing for the past decade to get massive results on the internet. I love it because people are simply going to YouTube, typing in exactly what they want, and then you can give it to them in the form of video. And there's nothing that builds relationships like video marketing. So here's what I want to do. Because you made it to the end of this video, I'm going to allow you to copy this whole entire campaign. I've actually got a playlist that you can check out in the description below that will show you exactly what I did step by step, click by click. This was sort of an overview, but this goes in depth. I show you how I set up my YouTube channel. I show you exactly how you can copy all my emails. You can actually even copy all my YouTube videos and upload them to your own new YouTube channel so you can start generating results without putting yourself on camera, without having any fancy tech skills or writing skills whatsoever. So the resources will be below in that playlist. Go to that playlist now, watch the first video, and then watch each and every video thereafter. And also make sure that you sign up to these 5 websites, and they will be listed below in the description. Hope you got value from this video. If you did, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know your results that you get from this playlist below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.